our national anthem to welcome him.
Ikeji Aro is almost there, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Onyana Nabatugwa Ikeji Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom.
His Eminence is here, and this is a special one today, Captain.
It is. If you ask me, yes. I think this is the best we have gotten so far.
The best so far.
And, we are asking God to actually keep him, sustain him.
Yes.
So that he can roll the goodies for our kingdom.
Imana is so binando to Inyonyo because never.
No. Captain, we have not had such a majestic entrance.
Genesis, we have not.
Such a majestic royal entrance.
Yeah, we never get
This is wonderful.
This is a gift of God.
This is a majestic entrance. We have not had this before. Oh my goodness.
He's coming.
Oh my goodness.
Captain David Thomas here.
Yes.
Prophecies.
Yes.
Ask me.
Yes.
That is enough to distinguish him from all of us.
Of course.
So please, can we give him a chance to come in? Majestically, he's walking in. That says Aro. His Eminence is a doctor, engineer, Arochukwu Oji. He's just walking majestically into this arena, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, we have to say that if you are an Aro man or woman or youth, we want you to keep standing until he rolls in here. People, please.
All hail the King! All hail the King!
Thank you.
All hail the King! His Eminence!
Genesis, you can sing the team.
Yes. Yes.
All the SOGOs are also there.
This is marvelous.
Yes. We have not seen this type of.
This is marvelous.
Yes, I like that.
This is marvelous.
Now there is a tarmac where he stops.
Aro Renaissance is here to stay.
Yeah.
Aro Renaissance is here to stay. MC Wagon.
That is it.
Yes. How are you? Thank you. Yes.
And the representative of Arochukwu local government. Honorable, is it on one or?
Because Onyo Wulagano chair, please, the security personnel. Ono Durunda, Onyo Wulagano Roto.
Thank you. Please, the royal carriage can now leave the arena. The royal carriage can now leave the arena. The royal guards, yes, should now do a parade The royal guard should now do a parade.
Royal guard, please, a parade.
And march out. Yes. Yes, please, that's this arena. Thank you. Now, we cannot do this without introducing His Royal Highnesses. As you may see, we have His Royal Highness Amos Okoro is here. Eze Bomisi. Thank you very much, Eze. Eze Ndo. Because you Eze Bomisi Aka. Very, very well represented. Eze Zagu is also here talking about His Royal Highness. Eze Eko Eze Zagu Aka.
Yes. Ilana everybody see now. Everybody see ndewo. Ndewo. Anekele gnati ndewo maze. Ndewo.
Please, can we leave the arena? Can we leave the arena so that the royal guards can take their parade? Help us. Let's leave the royal guards
to please take because they take a demonstration before they can walk out majestically.
Because
let's take their performance, please.
You can start. Abikunye topoto Kavune gadi chori meto wahedinta biko.
Ikeji Aro, please, could you give us attention? Just come around. Kawokuiri Ezaro Mkwede, I beg you, thank you so much.
Biko Ikeji Aro, Ganye Dinyom, Nebo Wobepi Achani Mebiko.
Can we take the royal guards, please? Can we take the royal guards? Then the union can come, please. Biko.
All right.
Biko. Please, the royal guards.
You
now,
let's
go.
You can start. Biko ndane mepanya go antemaro. Nando do antemado di chiche. Okwararu. Okay, madam.